welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am back with a little summer Abercrombie and Fitch haul. So if you watched my last Abercrombie video, it was like mostly a fail, so I've really just not done a ton of shopping there for a minute. I don't know, I just really didn't love any of the things that I got last time, so yeah. But I had slowly been starting to add things to my cart that I was curious to check out, and if there was a good sale, I was gonna make the purchase. So that's what happened. Boy, did I get some really good stuff this time. The theme of this is navy and white. So if you're a navy and white girl, welcome, because so am I. But we've got some good stuff. So let's actually first start off with something. Nothing was a fail, it just, I got wrong sizes. So I don't know why I've recently been like, maybe I'm a medium in Abercrombie, because I'm not. And I don't know why I keep ordering mediums. I don't know if it was sold out. I don't know if I just thought it was gonna be too small, because I don't know, I had sized up in their denim shorts and I was like, well, maybe I should size up in this skirt that I got, and it was not a good idea. I love this skirt though. Already ordering it in a size small. As at the time I'm filming this, they're having 20% off their site. And typically there's some stackable codes that you can get on the weekend as well, or like right after the weekend. It's typically until Monday. I don't know. Nonetheless, they're having a sale, and I don't recommend buying Abercrombie ever at full price, but that's just my opinion. But I loved this skirt. I have fallen in love with white skirts, to be honest with you, white in general, but I've fallen in love with white skirts now that I feel like my toddler's in the independent phase where he doesn't need to be clung to me. I can wear white. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. If you have a toddler. But this, I got in a medium. I needed it in small. I didn't know that it was gonna have this stretchy back. It's kind of like a trouser skirt. I don't know. I don't know why I'm explaining that. Probably because I have belt loops. I have nothing in a white skirt that has belt loops. I have like a white maxi, I have the white bubble skirt, and then I have a white mini short little like poplin style skirt. But I loved this A-line white skirt with this. It's such a nice material. It feels so soft and silky. It's got a gorgeous slit. It is double lined with like a satin in the inside. It's stunning. Again, I just need this in a size small, and I'm gonna be obsessed with it. I already know, I'm gonna wear it a million times. It has a nice little zipper to get in and out of, but this back is stretchy enough that even if you're in between sizes, I would go with your smaller size because there's give to it. So I'm excited to get this in a small. I've already like pulled it up on my app to see it's available, and it's available. So I love this. I'm thoroughly obsessed with this. I just need it in a smaller size, and I'm kind of sad that I don't have it in a small right now because I want to wear it tonight, but such is life. Okay, this next piece is like amazing, and there's a couple things. So first I was like, do you need sweater vest, girl? Because like, let's be real, it's 100 degrees outside all the time. But these are great for like those transitions here in Dallas, because it's still like warmish in the fall, you know what I mean? So this will still carry me into the fall season, and I can still wear it like around too because it's sleeveless. But this sweater, the structure on this is so nice. It's like a really thick sweater material. I don't know if you can tell, but it is really nice. I have stuck away from Abercrombie sweaters recently because I just feel like I'm not loving the makeup of them, and I feel like they're really pricey for what they are. But this sweater vest blew my mind. I love the white like creamy piping, the gold buttons. This is such nice quality, and I think dressed with like white linen shorts can be dressed up. I meant to show this with a pair of jeans. Like some light wash jeans can make this more of like casual, approachable. Can be worn with a skirt, can be worn with like a denim on denim. I mean, navy on navy, which I thought would be really cute, but I am obsessed with this. I know they have it in a gray, and I want to say a cream as well, but this is stunning, and I am so happy I picked this up. I know I'm gonna get a ton of use out of this. I feel like this is a classic piece. Even though it's trendy, I feel like the colors, the detail, everything about this is still super, super classic. So thrilled to have this, needless to say, thrilled, okay? Okay, as I pull out another navy vest. This is different though, okay? My son is an obsessed with golfing, and so is Scott, okay? Obsessed. They're both obsessed with golfing, and when I saw this, I was like, that's kind of cute. Maybe I could wear that on a golf course. Or not. I could wear it literally anywhere. But the brand is something for everybody and everyone, and I think it's a collab that they did. I don't know, but I love it. Again, with the navy and white, I love the collar detail. The little buttons, this would be cute dressed up with some trouser shorts. This would be cute dressed down with like a little tennis skirt, you know what I mean? Just adorable. And I love this. It's giving country club, and Scott really wants to join a country club, so maybe I will be able to. I feel like I'm cosplaying a rich housewife when I'm wearing this, but like, let's be real, I'm not. But I still think it's so freaking cute, and I'm definitely keeping this. I did get this in a medium, and I'm happy I did. I'm happy it's a little more oversized. The reason I decided to get a medium in this is because it looked slightly cropped on the site. So I was like, well, I like length to my shirts. I'm not a cropped kind of girl. Not cropped, but like not a long line top, if that makes sense. And I wanted to be able to tuck it in if I wanted to. And I'm happy I sized up to a medium in this. But the details on the buttons of this, it's like this wavy. This is a really, really nice quality piece. Anyways, this feels really heavy and really nice quality as well. Okay, this next piece, I actually need to also size down in a small in this, but I love these sort of button front tops. Oops, I have it upside down. I'm a high neck kind of girl, typically, unless I'm wearing like a button up, then I'll like leave it open, but I'm not a cleavagey kind of girl. I typically love a high neckline and tops, and I have a red one like this that I bought from Target, so I sized up to a medium in that one because of pulling, but this one is big enough that I don't need to do that. Like, it's not super tight. I loved this gray ribbed, it's giving 2000s. I love it with these little cream buttons, but there's no pulling on this, so I'm just gonna get this in a small. I would say even if you're like, if you want it tighter, size down like to your size below, but don't size up because it's already big. Even if you're larger chested and you're used to sizing up with things with buttons, you don't need to with this. And I love it. I love the boat neck sort of style top like this. I mean, not boat neck, but yeah, kind of. It's not scooped or anything. I think this is super cute with denim, with trousers. I was thinking with that white skirt, but unfortunately I couldn't show it because it wasn't going to give me the look I wanted with it being so oversized, but I love this. And I don't own a ton of gray in my collection, and specifically like a dark gray like that, like a charcoal, which I thought would be really cute, especially going into the fall season. Yes, I'm already thinking about fall. Next up are these. These are something I own 2 colors of the sweat shorts, and I own 2 colors of the sweatpants from their Sunday vintage, whatever. And when I saw this yellow, I was like, ooh, I love that. It's kind of more dingy than I thought it was gonna be, but that's kind of okay because I feel as though they're gonna like kind of get dingy unless I wash them by themselves anyways. Do you know what I mean? Like kind of like a vintagey yellow, not like a bright lemon yellow, but I still was like, yes. I get these in a small. These were like 20 bucks on sale, which was, I was like, I cannot not pick them up. I wanted the navy ones. I've been on the hunt for the navy ones, but they're always sold out in my size. I get these in a true size small. You can roll them or unroll them. I like to wear these. I feel like you can kind of dress these up. I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually wearing the gray ones right now, but you can kind of dress these up because they're a thicker, nicer material. I love the pockets that are just kind of like seamed into the short, but these are just nice. You can pair them with a t-shirt and wear them obviously comfy around the house, but I feel like with like a light denim button up, you can kind of dress it up slightly where it's like casual, but like cute casual. They're not like your ratty old sweat shorts. These are the best, and they're just as comfy as like ratty old sweat shorts, if that makes sense, but they look nicer. So I'm obsessed with these, and whenever they're on sale and they have my size, I always pick them up. Next is a shirt. I already own this shirt in the light gray, but I decided to pick this one up in a medium instead of the small. The small I like, but I figured I wanted it a little bit longer again. It's kind of boxy. This is their, forgot what the actual polished tee I want to say, but I don't own a navy t-shirt, and I am a navy girl. I just love navy so much, especially in the summer. It's a little bit softer than a black, but I just love it. I think it pops with my blonde hair and my blue eyes, and against white, I love it. So paired with some white trouser shorts, denim shorts, literally anything you can pair this with, and it's super cute. And these are really nice t-shirts. They like hold up well. They're not like cotton, They've kind of got a bit of a stretch to them, but they're like, I don't know, they're awesome. What are they made out of? Oh, they are cotton, but they don't feel like a cheapy thin cotton. I don't know how to explain it. They're such a good feel. And I've washed my gray one multiple times and it holds up so well. So very happy to have that. This I was drawn to from the color. I'm not gonna lie. I have a tank similar to this scoop neck in the front, and it's shorter. It's more of a cropped and white, but I liked that this was long line. I thought this would be nice to throw on with white linen shorts, white linen pants, just as a casual but bright color. I loved this Periwinkle. I'm typically not, like I said, a low whatever, but I feel like this isn't too low. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about it. I'm not gonna lie. I got this in a medium and I still feel like it's kind of tight. I wanted the medium to be like not so skin tight and kind of a little bit more loosest, but because this material is so thick, it doesn't quite like hang the way I'd like it to. Do you remember like the old Abercrombie tanks that were like so thin, like you would get holes in them? This is not that, which I almost want that like thin, almost nothing there kind of thing. I was thinking of wearing this like over the top of swimsuits, thrown on with linen, you know, just like as a very carefree, but this is giving thick. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep that. I also picked up this hat, which this is also from that collection of the Random Golf Club. Okay, so it says play fast, play more. I just think it's really cute. I like flat brim hats like this. I think it's cute, and I loved the color of the green with the like creamy white. It's pretty. Last but not least, I picked up a couple things for Arlo. I also have one more pair of sweat shorts coming from him or for him, but this is the first time I've purchased from the Abercrombie kids. They have really good sales, and honestly, they've got some cute stuff, but unfortunately these are way too big on him. These are the 5'6". He's in 4T swim trunks from Target, and he needed a new pair because he only has one, and I was like obsessed with the like, first of all, I thought these were gonna be stitched. They're not, but honestly that's okay because they're kids swim trunks, but they're adorable. Like, I'm obsessed with these, but they're too big on him, like so big on him. But if you have a little guy who is I don't know, probably a 5 to a 6T, not a 4T, then, you know, get these. They've got little like mesh shorts inside. They're freaking adorable. And he's like, can we just save them? But you never know if he's gonna be this size. But I might save them anyways because they're so stinking cute. So I'm afraid that those sweat shorts that I ordered for him aren't gonna fit either. But then I got him these t-shirts. I like oversized t-shirts, so I don't care that these are too big. I like the material. It's kind of like a woven sort of look to it. One thing I don't like about their kids section is it's all like logoed out with the moose, which I'm not a fan of. This one just had the small little tag on the side, so I decided to pick it up. This is their heavyweight relaxed fit tee. So I got him in this like brownish taupe color, and then I got him this little blue one. So yeah, that is my first little Abercrombie order for him, but that is everything that I picked up from Abercrombie's summer 2024. I mean, heck, they're already bringing out sweaters and winter stuff. I'm not ready for that yet. I mean, I want to be ready for it, but I'm just not. We're still living in summer, so I am thrilled with this haul. So much good stuff. Like I said, I think I'm keeping everything except for the tank, like that little blue tank. I don't think I'm gonna keep. And I'm going to exchange the gray button tank and the skirt for a size small for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have everything either linked on the YouTube shop button or in the description box down below, whichever is easier for you. The YouTube shop button sometimes has some like special discounts, so always check that out first. They work their magic with YouTube, so love that for you guys. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video very, very soon. If there's a specific brand that you'd like to see a haul from, let me know. I am thinking about that brand Commence. Has anyone ever heard of that? It's like always targets me on Facebook, Instagram and whatnot. It looks too good to be true kind of thing. And I've looked at their return policy, which is a wee bit sketch, which is the reason I don't. Like, you have to email them to get a return started, and I'm like, that seems weird. I like to just do it online by myself, but I'd be willing to check it out for you guys if you are curious or have ever been curious about that brand Commence. Let me know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye.